guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the next video in my series about how to start a successful mom channel on YouTube. I love making these videos because honestly, being a mom on YouTube has truly changed my life. It's been an amazing opportunity and I'm so thankful that I get to be home with my kids, work on my time, and just create a business that I absolutely love. So this is my way of giving back, and I hope that the comment section can also be helpful for you guys. Feel free to leave me any questions, ask each other any questions, and let's just help each other out as a little YouTube mom community here. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Marian and I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by hitting that red button. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing how to get your first 1,000 subscribers for your new YouTube mom channel. 1,000 subscribers is a really big deal and it's such a huge milestone. So if any of you guys are getting close, I'm so excited for you. And for me, it just personally was like this emotional hurdle. I felt like once I hit 1,000, I was good to go. Also, once you hit 1,000 subscribers, you're getting really close to getting monetized, and that's a big deal too. Okay, so let's get started. My first tip for hitting that big 1,000 goal mark on YouTube and gaining subscribers is to keep the golden rule in mind. You have to find a way to connect with people because once they know you, then they'll be really much more interested in what you have to say, but you got to draw them in first. So how do you get people who don't know you to come to your channel and watch your videos? The secret that I have to this is to build on the people who are like you and invite their audience to your channel. So how do you do this without being a creep and commenting, those spammy comments that's like, come check out my video? I'm not talking about that kind of stuff at all. I'm talking about taking videos that your favorite YouTubers are making that are in your niche or genre and making your own version of them while also referencing them. The best part of this strategy is that you are triggering the algorithm to pay attention to your videos. You're explaining to the YouTube algorithm AI what kind of channel you are. So here's my best example of this. Let's say that you're a mom that likes to make meals for the week and you love meal prep and you want to do some meal prep videos. Instead of just making a meal prep video, try something like this. Who are your favorite YouTube moms that make meal prep videos? Some of mine are Tiffany Beeston, Jessica Toole, Emily Norris. So if I was starting and had less than 1,000 subscribers, what I would do is instead of saying meal plan for the week in my title, I would make a title that used one of their names and talked about how you tried out their meals. So I would say, trying out Tiffany Beeston's Marry Me Chicken for a week of meal prep. Anything that you can do to reference to the algorithm that really great YouTuber so that her audience will get your video up in their feed. Now, you genuinely have to actually refer to their content within your video. You have to make the actual recipe. You have to tie it together. But what's so nice about this is when her audience or their audiences do see your video and come over and click on it, they'll probably really like you because they're interested to see how their favorite YouTubers' tips and tricks are playing out in real life. Another hack for something like this, as an example, would be one of my favorite YouTubers, Emily Norris, always does hacks and tricks. So I might do a video like trying out Emily Norris's top 10 baby hacks. So anytime that you're going to do a video, try to find a way to connect it to a larger audience that you think might be interested in your video too. And honestly, it's a really nice way to honor those bigger YouTubers who are building you up. So that's the way I would think of it. And if you promote your video on Instagram, for example, you might want to thank them for the idea or thank them for the recipe and just give them a little shout out as well and let them know how much they inspire your channel. If you ever make a video honoring one of my videos, let me know. That would be really exciting. My tip number 2 for reaching 1,000 subscribers is to find your friends. You got to take 20 minutes every single day and find your YouTube friends. I talk about the strategy a little bit more in my hacks and tips and tricks video, which I will link down for you below. But basically what you want to do is find other content creators who are in your niche and who have about a similar subscriber count to you do, under 1,000. And you want to comment on their videos and subscribe to their channels. But you have to genuinely watch and genuinely make a comment that connects with them. And what that is a little signal to invite them to come check out your channel. I personally would avoid saying something like, come check out my channel, sub for sub, that kind of spammy language. Because what you're telling them is, I'm not looking for a real friendship here. Instead, you want to actually try and make real friends for 20 minutes a day on YouTube. And honestly, some of my best friends on YouTube today are the ones that when we found each other in those first early under 1,000 subscriber days on YouTube and we genuinely connected. So there's really good opportunities down the line and real reason why you want to make friends with your colleagues here on YouTube. But find those channels that are around the similar subscriber count as you, connect with them, spend 20 minutes a day subscribing to them, commenting on their channels, and even better if you can hit them up on Instagram as well and really show them that you care. Then once you've created these friendships and connections, you should reach out and collaborate with them. That's another way to grow your subscriber base. I have seen a lot of new YouTubers who try to get collabs and shout outs from content creators who are much farther along than they are. And the truth is that people who have a really large following and established platform are nervous to collaborate with new content creators for a really valid reason. You don't know if they're going to stick around. So it's not that you don't value your content or think it's not good enough to collaborate with. And I have done collaborations with all sorts of channels, but I've also been burned and had a lot of experience with people who quit YouTube the next day or never made the upload. So for me, now that my YouTube channel is really a business in my life, it's part of my family's income, I'm more hesitant to take on those risks versus someone who's just starting out like you are. And collaborating with someone who's at about the same level you are is beneficial to both of you because you're getting your audiences to see one another. And the best thing about that is if you guys both have low subscriber count audiences because you're new channels, your audiences are probably really interested and dedicated to you because they're one of your first subscribers. So they don't care that you're not a huge established channel. They really care about you. So if you're recommending another channel with a shout out or doing a collab because you think your subscribers will like that channel, most likely they will. And then you guys have built each other's channels up. And again, it's something that will last and you guys will definitely remember each other for years to come and just establish those real relationships. So those are my top 3 tips to getting those first 1,000 subscribers as a YouTube mom. Let me know if you guys try them out and how they're going. Let me know what your current subscriber counts are at and how close you are to 1,000. I 100% feel like I was just there yesterday. I feel like I remember so well those early days and just trying everything I could to get there. So I hope that these tips have helped you out. If they did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. I have a bunch more videos coming out in this series, so stay tuned for those and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!